Welcome everyone. In this video we're going to learn about the file system operations, especially the read operation and the path module, how it will be useful in cross-platform compatibility. Okay. So let's suppose I have a project in which I have a subfolder of sample data in which I have example.txt. So I have to read this file, okay, both synchronously and asynchronously. I have written two functions here. The first one is the asynchronous function and second one is the synchronous function. Okay, we have a fs module which is a built-in, we don't need to install anything. So in the fs module we have a function called read file. Okay, it will take the path parameter and encoding type and of course some other options also. Okay, so it is a asynchronous operation, so every asynchronous operation will trigger a callback, that we know that, right? So this is the error first callback. Okay, the error is the first argument and the data which is after the successful operation will get some data also. Okay, and same way in synchronous operation, okay, it will read and will get the data. Okay, if you want to catch the errors you can put the try catch blocks here. Okay, okay, let's see how it works. Let me comment this path code. So my machine is Windows, that's why I'm using the forward slashes. If you are using a Linux and Mac, if you use Linux and Mac, then you have to use backward slashes. Okay. Okay. See, this is the synchronous operation, so it doesn't uh, trigger the callback now. Okay. But in synchronous operation, it will trigger immediately, so we'll get the data. This is in synchronous operation. Okay. Now after that, it will print the asynchronous operation as well. Okay, now see, we are in Windows, that's why I have given a slashes here. But in a production machine, so they will use Linux machines. If you give the same, you will get the error. So in production, you have to be, you're using the Linux machine, you have to be like this. But if you use the that syntax in a Windows, it will fail definitely because it don't find the path that way. So to resolve this problem, okay, see, to resolve this problem, there is a module called path in Node.js, which is also built in. You don't need to install anything. Okay, and there is a method called join in it, that is path.join. This is path.join, so it will join all the paths. Okay, this is the dir name, that means a directory name. Okay, in which we are, this is the subfolder name. I mean, if you have n number of subfolders, you can add like this. Like say this is subfolder, this is subfolder 1, folder 1. You can add one more subfolder, folder 2, like this you can add, and finally you have to give the file name. Okay, I have only one subfolder, that is sample data, so I am giving here. Now see. Okay, now see the execution. Okay, it's going to synchronous functions and coming to the synchronous function as well. So this is the way we can resolve this path issue of forward slash backward slash with respect to the edge cross platform. I don't need to worry, I have made it all these things in a document. I can take it, I will give the git repository. Okay, thank you for listening guys, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.